Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to flatten the Japanese waterstones. If you use waterstones, as you use it, you get kind of wavy pattern, slightly wavy pattern. I can almost feel it on my finger. This is very bad for the stone because if you sharpen with your knife, if the stone is not flat, your edges will be wave, so just like the stone. So you need to have a very flat stone. So in order to do that, you need a piece of wet or dry sandpaper. I recommend 60 to 80, maximum 100 grit, because it has to be coarse to to take out the abrasive stones. This is artificial one, Japanese waterstone. You could use diamond plate or any other coarser Japanese waterstones to flatten this, but this is the economical way of doing it. So just one of the many ways to do it. So okay, now today we're going to flatten two stones. This is Japanese 4,000 waterstone. This is 1,000 waterstone. So grab a pencil, any pencil, number 2 or 2B or anything. You mark a diagonal pattern like this, and then like this. This is to see which part is not touching the sandpaper, and then we can see when to stop. Okay, same again. Trust me, it will not harm the stone, so don't worry. Like this. You don't have to be perfect, okay? Just go like this. Okay. Now let's start with the 1,000. Okay. We need some water to lubricate. Oh, I forgot to do the back side. I used this side also, so I need to flatten out this side also. Okay. Now just simply push back and forth. See, you can see that this part was the highest part, and this was the low part. See, you see like that. See, almost gone. Now rotate your stone. Then almost there. Okay, almost there. Okay, rinse with the water. We see low spots here and here, so okay, that's about it. But just to make sure, okay, oh, some water, wash the pencil line. Alright, the back side. Rotate. Wash. Yeah, all pencils are gone, but just to make sure that's flat. Alright, and a 4,000. Oh, for the Japanese viewers, can you guys translate what does this mean? I don't know what does this mean, but so I use this side. What does it say? Please leave it at a comment, okay? sure it's flat now. Yeah. Rotate. Alright. Now we have 2 flat stones. Clean. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.